Africa is blessed with so many natural and human resources, and as much as we are blessed, so are we challenged. One of those challenges is the Ebola virus disease. This disease is a severe and often fatal illness in humans, and it has claimed a lot of lives in Liberia, Guinea, Sierra Leone, and presently it has claimed not less than 6 lives in Nigeria. Let me tell you a story. Somewhere in Africa, there was a young girl named Maria. She had seen some fallen fruits left over by birds, and she had eaten them, thinking nothing of it. Some weeks later, she started feeling sick. It started with a slight headache and then vomiting. Her mother had thought it was just fever. Then Maria died. A week after, Maria's mother came down with sickness. The local nurse thought it was just fever. That is not the end of the story. It is the dreaded Ebola virus disease. The symptoms of the Ebola virus includes fever, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, skin rash, weakness, muscle pain, sore throat, and bleeding from all parts of the body at the highest point of infection. We need to swing into action and stop this scourge. To avoid Ebola, do not eat bushmeat, either freshly killed or bought. Do not eat fruits left over by bats or other animals. Do not handle other people's body secretions or fluids like blood, sweat, catarrh, etc. Practice constant hand washing with soap and water. And in the absence of soap and water, sanitize your hands with hand sanitizers that contain at least 60% of alcohol. Avoid contacts with persons showing symptoms of fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and so on. Avoid contact with animals such as bats, apes, monkeys, gorillas, and chimpanzees. Avoid touching, washing, or holding the corpse of a dead person. Report any suspected case of Ebola outbreak.
It is true that Ebola is deadly. It is also true that Ebola can be prevented.
Let's join hands and fight the spread of the Ebola virus.